Are you running your business, or is it running you? Hi, I'm Cheri Kuhn, Certified EOS Implementer, and I'm here to help you clarify, simplify, and achieve your vision.
I'm super excited to be with you today.
Many successful leaders and business owners work tirelessly, yet struggle with lack of control, unresponsive teams, inconsistent profits, and stagnating growth. But you don't have to let your business run you. But don't just take my word for it. Hear what other folks have to say.
Oh, yeah, I love that.
Do you want to be a hero to your business owner clients? Book me to come in and do an EOS workshop for them.